Watch this new and innovative method of saving money on utilities. Let's begin.
E-commerce rental is a great solution especially for beginners. You do not need a programmer, graphics, or other computer experts at your hand. You will be able to start the e-shop yourself, even if you have never done anything like that before. You do not have to learn anything for a long time, contact specialists for help or pay for typical novice bugs. This makes it easy for people with no experience with programming and e-shop creation. Rent Your Shop is suitable for all kind of business. Rent Your Shop is cost-effective, doesn't affect your cash flow, save your time, only 3 steps to get your e-shop. Start your free trial today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit the website.